Well, hello everybody. Excuse me. This is Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie and Lauren to bring you fun crochet tutorials. We got a cute one. These are little appliques, 4-leaf clovers. You could put magnets on them, put them on your fridge. You can hang them in your car if you want. You can attach them to a keychain and put them on your purse. They're just little. Here's my hand. My hand is not big. They're not big. They're adorable though, aren't they? They work up pretty fast, believe it or not, even for people that are like me, that are slow crocheters. So we're gonna dive into this. I have used, this is a good stash buster if you have different color greens. That's why I have 3 different color greens here. There's no rule that you can't make them in a certain color. Make them in any color you want. They're gorgeous. And like I said, they're very easy. And when you first make them, after you're done, you gotta work with them and get them to go. But these are not blocked. All I did was play with them and let them sit on this table till this morning. I made these last night, and then this is where we're at. So I have used acrylic 4-ply yarn. I think the yarn that I'm using today for your example is, I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby. Everybody knows me, that's my favorite yarn. But you can use any yarn you want, it doesn't matter. So let's dive into these. All right, I am using a 5mm crochet hook. Trying to get my glasses on so I can see. And there's 2 different ways you can start these. You can start this with a magic ring, or you can start it with a chain 3 and slip stitch to the first chain. I like the magic ring because it allows you to pull the center completely shut, like that. Okay. So, again, if you want to do the chain 3, it's just a chain 3 and you slip stitch to the first chain. You're doing the magic ring. There's your magic ring. And if you did the chain 3, now I just want you to chain 8. If you did the magic ring, just chain 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then I'm going to close my circle a little bit. Then all you do is slip stitch as tight as you can to the center. Then we chain 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you slip stitch to the center ring again. Then we do this 2 more times because we need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you slip stitch. And then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you slip stitch. After you have 4 of those loops, then I want you to chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, that's my dog's playing. Okay. After you chain 11, we're gonna, second chain for the hook, we're gonna just slip stitch all the way up. This is the stem, so in each chain 1 time, you just slip stitch. when you get all the way up to the top, then do another slip stitch into the center. Now, our first loop that's off to our left, we're going to slip stitch right in the center of that whole loop. Now, just follow along with everything that I tell you your stitches. Are you ready? We're going to put a single crochet. Then we're going to do a half double crochet. And do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now just slide it down if you can. All right. Now we put in 2 trebles. You wrap your hook twice. 2 trebles. Then 1 double crochet. Half double. And a single crochet. Now let's go to a half double, a double, 2 trebles, then 4 double crochets, half double, and then a single. After you've done your single, slip stitch into your center and make sure you keep it as tight as possible. Very important. All right, now we slip stitch into the second loop. We're going to do the exact same thing. You ready? Single, there we go. Single crochet, half double, four doubles, two, three, four, two trebles, one, two, then a double crochet, half double, and single. Okay, half double, double, two trebles. Four double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4. Half double, and then a single. It's tight, but it works. And then you slip stitch to the center, but make sure it's tight. Very important. And then you slip stitch to your third one. And we do it again. So you're going to repeat those again. You need help with one more? Let's do one more together, just to be on the safe side. You do a single crochet. I have it so tight. Then a half double. 4 doubles, 2 trebles, 1 double, a half, and a single. I'm just sliding it over, making room. Now we go back up, half double, double, 2 trebles, four doubles, and a half double, and then a single, and then you slip stitch to the center. And again, make sure that's important. So I'm going to do the 4th one and I'll be right back. Okay. I did my last single crochet. Then I'm going to slip stitch to the center. And then cut off the tail and pull it all the way through. Don't do anything, get your darning needle. Go through the center to the back. Okay. Then you just go in one of the leaves. And hide your and in the center one, pull it closed, and then weave in your tail. And remember how I said it doesn't look so pretty? There. And then you just play with it and spread it out until you got your 4-leaf clover that you want. So pretty, isn't it? Very easy, and it goes really, really quick. Well, I can't wait to see yours. And until our next video, it's always work in progress here at Whip and Chain. Maggie, Lauren, and myself say thank you so much for watching our videos. We do appreciate the love. And you're welcome to come find us on Facebook, Whip and Chain, WIP and Chain, and join our group. Till next time, happy crocheting, everybody.